Hey, what's up everybody? This is Osama here, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create an automation for your quiz submissions in GoHighLevel. Now this can help you notify people once they submit a quiz, and you can also do better segmentation based on the scores that people accomplish, and then you can customize your marketing based on the scores. So let's dive into my screen here and see on how we can create automations for your quiz responses. All right, so in my sub account, I'm under sites and quizzes, and you can see I already have one set up, which is called Go High Level VA Training Quiz, where I have 3 questions where we're asking people about different features that Go High Level offers or not. So based on this, we are assigning scores if they answer the correct answer or not. And if I do a quick preview of this and make a test submission, so it says which one of these features does Go High Level not offer. Now the correct answer is this one, but on purpose, I'll select the wrong one here. Then I'm going to choose does GoHighLevel offer WordPress hosting? Let's go with yes. And can you trigger workflows based on a contact reply? Yes, that is correct. So if I do that, you will see the score is 66.67%. And I did one question wrong on purpose. Now my score is different, and I also made some test submissions with the correct answers. So now if I go to the automations and create a workflow, I'll show you on how we will handle these different circumstances. So let's create a new workflow from scratch here. And the trigger I'm going to use is quiz submitted. So we're going to choose that. And then we have to select the quiz from here, which is this one right here. Once we have our quiz mapped here, I'm going to click on add filters here. And from here, we will select overall score. Now here we have different conditions. So I'm going to choose greater than or equal to. And here we will put 66. So this means that any person answering 66 or above will be coming through from this workflow trigger. So I'll write here 66 or greater and then hit save here. Then I'm going to create another trigger based on the condition. So we'll again map this to our Go High Level VA Training Quiz. And this time around, I'm going to choose overall score is less than 66. And I'll also write here less than 66. Or you can also write score less than 66 for remembering it easily, and then click on save trigger. Now, because we have 2 trigger types and they're varying based on the score that each person gets from the quiz, so they will definitely come in from either one of these. So now we just have to add an if condition here. And if I click on if else, then we have to select the workflow trigger from here, and we'll select is and quiz submitted 66 or greater. So score greater than 66, and by default, because we only have 2 options here, so by default the other one would be less than 66, right? Then click on save action, and now you can see we have 2 branches. So there's a lot of things we can do here. Now we can add different tags for better segmentation. We can customize our messaging or marketing based on the score the person gave. And as an example, this quiz that I created was for training VAs and checking if they are up to the mark. So if their score is not high, we can say, hey, thanks for trying. At this point, we are only looking for candidates who have more experience. Since you did not get a good score, unfortunately, you do not qualify for the interview. For the candidates that did get a good score, you can actually send them Zoom instructions or send them a link to book a call for their interview. So this can help you for recruiting VAs for your Go High Level agency or maybe VA placement agency. And this can be a really good use case. So all you have to do is start adding actions here. Like I said, adding tags. You can also send them emails or SMS and include the calendar links, or just notify them that they didn't make it. So it is an excellent use case for recruitment, or even if you're using it for educational purposes, based on the scores that people are getting, you can send them custom marketing or send them different offers, which can prove to be really fruitful in these use cases. So this was how you can leverage the quiz submissions using workflows. I hope you found this video valuable. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them below. This is Usama signing off. I'll see you in the next one.